Viewers, the day is near when Hollywood movies will be completely made with the help of AI, that is, artificial intelligence, where stories, characters, locations, and productions, everything will be generated by AI. According to reports, work on this has already begun. This is the beginning of a new world, and this world will be called and considered the real world. You know that AI, artificial intelligence, is evolving at an extremely fast pace, bringing revolutionary and mind-blowing changes in every area of life. Even the phrase AI or die is being used, meaning that without the help or use of AI, we cannot maintain our place in the competitive world. Only through the use of AI at every level, individual and collective, can the dream of progress and development be fulfilled. Viewers, AI is no longer being called just a tool, but an agent that works for you while improving itself and gaining the power to make decisions on its own. Now, there is no area where AI doesn't have a role. The important question now is to what extent we have the ability to derive benefits from artificial intelligence. Ladies and gentlemen, today we will discuss the role of artificial intelligence in relation to jobs and duties of those working in the corporate sector, that is business and commerce, and private institutions. Everyone associated with the corporate sector knows that corporate executives and others all need to engage in various types of internal and external communication while performing their duties, which plays an important role in improving the progress, domestic and overseas contacts, and performance of the organization or company. However, due to time constraints, lack of command over professional language, or workload, executives and others may face difficulties in making communication effective and result-oriented. Viewers, in such situations, artificial intelligence, or AI, provides revolutionary solutions that help complete all types of communication instantly. That is, within seconds, with improved content and in a professional manner. In fact, it executes this process autonomously. Viewers, executives in the corporate sector, agents, representatives communicate internally and externally at various times under different requirements, which includes emails, different types of reports, social media campaigns, preparation of legal and financial documents, and digital marketing, meeting minutes, presentations, business proposals, supply chain management, research and forecasting, etc., which can become a challenge due to time constraints, lack of command over professional language or work burden. Viewers, artificial intelligence, AI, helps execute all these tasks in a fast, professional, and effective manner. In fact, AI executes all this work on your behalf. AI not only prepares emails, reports, and legal documents, but also provides interesting and catchy material for social media and digital marketing, data analysis, and translation in different languages. Through this, the performance of executives in the company improves, time and resources are saved, and modern business requirements are met. As a result, doors open for increased revenue and business growth for the organization. Viewers, emailing is the most widely used communication medium in the corporate sector and private organizations, which is essential for maintaining internal and external contacts. Whether you need to share a project update with a client or for any other reason, AI can instantly prepare a professional email for you. AI ensures that the email is short, clear, and effective, while also ensuring grammar and spelling corrections. AI can also be used to prepare emails in different languages. Viewers' business reports are very important in any business entity, including sales, performance of workers, and market research, which are important documents in the progress of the organization. With the help of AI, a company manager can prepare a comprehensive report in just a few minutes. Monthly sales report AI data analysis can quickly generate a comprehensive report. AI enhances reports by incorporating graphs and charts through data visualization, making them more professional. Ladies and gentlemen, AI can perform another task for you in the corporate sector in an extremely interesting way. AI can automatically prepare minutes of all official meetings for you in seconds. You know that it's necessary to keep a record of discussions and decisions made during such meetings. During any such meeting, AI can record the discussion and prepare immediate minutes. AI can document each agenda point and decisions in a clear and comprehensive manner. Ladies and gentlemen, the process of documenting policies and procedures in the corporate sector ensures the standards and harmony of any company or organization. AI can gather by itself important information to prepare a standard document for a new policy within seconds. AI can also provide suggestions based on existing laws and standards, which can save the company's time and resources. Ladies and gentlemen, in the corporate sector, presentations are a crucial mode for sharing information about ongoing or upcoming projects' performance. AI can quickly generate slides, material, and graphics to prepare a presentation on any project's progress within minutes. AI arranges and presents the material in a professional and dynamic manner. In the corporate sector, preparing proposals for clients is one of the basic tasks. A good proposal can bring a client closer to the company and is also a fundamental business requirement. AI fully assists you in executing this extremely important task. Or rather, AI does all the work for you. You know that providing business proposals to clients is crucial for a company's survival and progress. AI can arrange all necessary data to prepare a comprehensive and attractive business proposal for any client. In this process, AI creates the material professionally, tailored to the client's needs. Ladies and gentlemen, interaction with clients and consumers in the corporate sector, which includes answering consumer questions and resolving their issues, is important for every business. AI chatbots provide immediate answers to consumer questions, which improve customer service. AI helps understand consumer needs and trends by analyzing their opinions. Furthermore, viewers, artificial intelligence plays an important role in smoothing the process of supply chain and logistics. For example, AI automates warehouse management, ensures an uninterrupted supply chain, and inventory control. AI improves the supply time and costs through data analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, in the corporate sector, social media posts and campaigns play a crucial role and hold significant importance. Enhancing a company or organization's presence on social media and promoting the brand is an essential requirement in today's era. For example, AI can create attractive, catchy, interesting, and impactful posts for various social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and X. AI analyzes material for targeted campaigns and incorporates relevant hashtags, images, and videos. For promotional campaigns, AI analyzes data to suggest the best times and platforms to maximize the brand's footprint, outreach, and impact. AI facilitates global access by creating posts in multiple languages. Ladies and gentlemen, in the corporate world, digital marketing includes websites, content, vlogs, email marketing, and online ads. For example, if we need to create website content or material, AI can gather information according to the required industry or sector and targeted consumers. AI prepares material in line with SEO to improve website ranking. For vlogs and articles, AI conducts research and creates relevant, interesting, and fascinating material. Ladies and gentlemen, preparing reports on technology plans, programs, or innovations is crucial for a company or organization's development and progress. For instance, to prepare a report on the benefits, advantages, and costs of new software, AI provides a comprehensive analysis. AI enhances the effectiveness of reports by incorporating data visualization and graphics. Viewers, video, and multimedia content are effective for brand promotion. AI provides support in writing scripts, editing, and creating animations. It automatically adjusts the format and duration of AI videos for different platforms. This opens new avenues for innovation and R&D in companies or organizations. In this regard, AI helps collect data for research, organize it, and perform analysis. AI provides suggestions about potential products and services. Artificial intelligence models help companies or organizations make autonomous decisions. For example, AI creates machine learning models to recommend solutions for various business issues. Viewers, data analysis, and forecasting hold a pillar position in the business world and are highly important and recommended for a company or organization's future planning. For instance, AI can analyze sales trends and make future forecasts, which are very helpful in business decisions. AI quickly analyzes large amounts of data to provide important information. Viewers, contracts, and agreements in the corporate sector highlight the rights and obligations of any company or organization. AI can quickly prepare a valid draft with legal language and necessary clauses for creating a contract or agreement with a new client. AI arranges documents according to legal requirements. Viewers, in the corporate sector, marketing materials such as brochures and other promotional material are very important for promoting a company's or organization's products or services. AI can create brochures based on product specifications and service details, which include attractive material and designs. AI creates short, catchy, targeted slogans and material for advertisements. Ladies and gentlemen, you know that in the corporate sector, internal communications like newsletters and announcements promote harmony among company employees. If a company or organization needs to issue a monthly newsletter, AI can arrange all relevant material and prepare a standard newsletter. AI makes content brief and interesting to grab employees' attention. Viewers, research reports have foundational value in the corporate sector. Research reports provide the foundation for company or organization plans or new products. For example, if market research needs to be done about a product, AI can collect data and prepare a comprehensive report. AI helps in analyzing trends and statistics. Viewers, internal training and workshops, meaning employee training, play an important role in the success of any company or organization. In this regard, AI automatically prepares e-learning material, for example, videos, presentations, and quizzes, etc. AI analyzes employee performance and recommends customized training programs for them.